Fire Emergency Salvation Army. Fire alarm started going off at Salvation Army Marietta Street. The fire rescue had to come and check out the store before they can let any customers back in. All the employees are out here relaxing, so there's certain customers going to be leaving. What you talking about, Reese? Say hi, Tyrese.
I got a style, man, in the mood, my throat fucked up.
Well, at least I got to see my friend Rhonda driving that Marta.
Hey, man, you come around the whole week. You was going. You want to come around with G here?
I was on vacation.
Oh, y'all went to vacation at the same time type shit? Where y'all go?
I went to Bahamas. I don't know where she went. Listen, honey, June 5th is my birthday every year for the last 60 years. And this is what I do in June. There go my baby right there. Gonzalez. Oh, and she gave me inches today. Looking all cute with her hair. Give me inches, baby, get up. That looks so cute on her. That's why Caleb be sticking closer than a brother. Looking all cute and stuff. Get up, girl. I knew the fire department. If they said it was a real drill, I'm just like, dude, the fire department got to come, boy. They can let anybody else in this place right here.
Yeah, I ain't gonna hold that said, but sometimes they just be testing their response time.
Yeah, if it's a drill, they can have y'all come out here to the sidewalk